Let us now look at this set. It is given that for admission to various affiliated colleges, a university conducts a written test with 4 different sections, each with a maximum marks of 50. The following table gives the aggregate as well as the sectional cutoff marks for 6 different colleges affiliated to the university. A student will get admission only if he gets marks greater than or equal to the cutoff marks in each of the sections, and his or aggregate marks are at least equal to or greater than the aggregate cutoff marks as specified by the college. So in this particular set, we are provided with the data of sectional cutoffs and aggregate cutoffs of these 6 colleges, college 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and for getting admission to these colleges, these colleges have provided their sectional cutoffs as well as aggregate cutoff for getting a call of admission. So let us now proceed with the question first. In first question, it is saying Aditya did not get a call from even a single college. What could be the maximum aggregate marks obtained by him? So in this particular question, we have to maximize the score of Aditya, and even after maximizing the score, he should not get a call from even a single college. So let us now look at the table carefully, that if we consider section C, in this section C, we have cutoff for college 1, college 2 and college 3 and college 5. So if in section C he scored 41 marks, so he won't be able to get call from college 1, college 2, college 3 and even college 5. Now if we consider section D, if he scores 43 marks in section D. Why I am considering 43? Because we need to maximize the score, therefore I am taking the closest value from the sectional cutoff, closest value less than the sectional cutoff. Okay, so if in section D if he scores 43, then he won't be able to get call from college 4 and college 6 even. So by scoring 41 and 43 in section C and D respectively, he won't be able to get call from these 6 colleges. And in order to maximize the score, if he could get 50 marks in section A and 50 marks in section B, then his total score would be 50 plus 50 plus 41 plus 43, that would be equal to 184. So even after getting its maximum score of 184, he won't be able to get a call from any of the 6 colleges. So our answer option is 3, which is 184. Now let us now look at the next question. In this question, Bhama got calls from all the colleges. What could be the minimum aggregate marks obtained by her? So in this particular question, we need to minimize the aggregate marks, but in order to maintain the condition that she should get calls from all the colleges. Okay, for getting calls from all the colleges, she must clear the section cutoff for A, B, C and D for all the colleges. So let us now proceed with section A. For clearing the section A cutoff for college 1, 4 and 5, she must get at least 45 marks. If she could get 45, she would clear the cutoff for college 1, college 4 and college 5. Similarly, in section B, she must score at least 45 to clear the cutoff for college 1, college 2 and college 6. And in section C, she must get 46 in order to clear the sectional cutoff for college 1, college 2, college 3 and college 5. And in section D, she must get 45 in order to clear the sectional cutoff for college 4 and 6. So she must get at least 45 in section A, 45 in section B, 46 in section C and 45 in section D in order to clear the cutoffs and get all calls from the colleges. So let us look at the total. 45 plus 45 90 plus 45 135 plus 6 141 plus 40 is 181. So even after maintaining the minimum aggregate of 181, she would be getting all the calls from the colleges, from colleges 1 to 6. So our answer should be B 181. Now let us now look at the last question. It is saying that Charlie got calls from two colleges. What could be the minimum marks obtained by him in a section? Now here Charlie got calls from only two colleges. So which is only possible when he scored 175 marks, because from this 175 marks he would be eligible to get call from college 2 and college 3 only. Okay, so if he had scored 175 marks and we are having four sections A, B, C and D, and we need to know the minimum marks obtained by him in a section. So we what how can we get the minimum marks in a section? If we maximize the marks of other three sections. So what we will do, we will maximize this and minimize this. So maximum score could be 50, 50 and 50. So that is total 150, and remaining would be 25 in order to get the score of 175. So minimum score which he could get in section D is 25 in order to get the calls from only two colleges. So our answer should be option C, which is 325. Thank you.